Now, I think maybe the bigger story here that we haven't talked about is that there's a competitive product in the market from Matt Cole-led Strive, and it's called Saylor.
Everyone's going to frame this as Strive finally out-engineering Saylor. I don't care who wins the yield war. I skip the wrapper entirely. Because both machines are doing the exact same thing, vacuuming Bitcoin off the market to back a dividend.
Which is SATA for those of you who have not paying attention. Now, SATA offers a 13% yield. We have talked about it before, but they've just changed to daily dividend payments. So they're paying
13% yield, paid daily? Sure, sounds great. But that yield has to come from somewhere. And it's coming from coins they have to keep buying.
paid daily. Now, remember, STRC went from once a month now to twice a month. That was their big innovation. SATA is paying every single day. And even though they're smaller, another really interesting detail is that Strive cleared all of their debt, all of their obligations.
Look at the mechanics. STRC pays monthly, SETA pays every single day, and Strive just cleared all its debt to do it. That's not a dividend race, it's an accumulation race. These wrappers plus the ETFs are eating roughly 600 Bitcoin a day, while miners make about 450. There are only 2.3 million coins left on exchanges. Every product that ups its yield has to outbuy the last one.
And on my actual podcast, I talked to Matt Cole after they did this, and he said, basically, we saw that STRC is the way that Saylor has perfected to buy Bitcoin. Saylor said that to me at Money 2020 in Vegas. He basically said, I wish I'd not done all these other products. We've found the whole.
Credit where it's due, though. A debt-free, daily paying product genuinely is better engineered than Saylor's leveraged convertible stack. Less blow-up risk, real income for people who don't want to hold their own keys.
Holy grail. Well, Strive realized that, made a product that has a higher yield, pays dividends every day, and they cleared out all of their debts and obligations and said, this is the only way we're going to do it. So I think there are people out there who want exposure to this kind of product who don't want all the things that come with.
But here's what nobody says out loud. The better the wrapper, the harder it has to vacuum. SETA winning just means SETA buying more. Every dollar chasing that 13% is one more bid draining the same shrinking float.
Strategy in their past iterations of products that they created to buy Bitcoin. And so people are focusing on that one. So it's interesting that a smaller rival might be starting to really compete because that product has floated right around.
So no, I'm not picking SETA over STRC. The wrapper pays you a